Hey guys, it's Jen here from Martino Cars. I need to change my wiper blades again. If you don't know some of the signs of bad wipers, head over to our Instagram where we will have a picture of why mine need to be changed. Here we have our Bosch Snow Driver. They are designed for winter. They're going to be a little bit of a softer rubber, a little bit more flexible, just a better quality to deal with the ice and the snow we are dealing with, which is really bad. I hate winter for this reason alone.
So
yeah.
What side is the passenger side?
Passenger side is the left-hand side, right-hand side is, if you're sitting in the car, it's going to be the right-hand side. It is going to be the smaller one, it's going to be the 16.
Okay.
But to do both, we need to lift them up. We're inside, so we can do this. If you were outside where there's wind and a chance of these falling down and smashing your window, don't leave them up like I'm doing right now. Do one at a time. Usually I recommend putting a rag down, putting the wiper blade down. But we're in here where it's nice and warm and toasty because we got a couple of heaters in our garage. That one's an infrared. We have a small little one behind us.
It's not plugged in.
Yeah. But no wind, we can leave these up without worrying.
Yeah. So
My
Jen's
favorite part is getting these out of the package.
So Jen's car is a 2015 Subaru Impreza
The sport.
sports package.
So I do have the spoiler and like some of them. I really hate these. So this here, pinch here, this will lift up. And then being J-hook, you just push it back. Okay, we went through the car wash and my wiper almost came off. So I realized it's definitely time to change these. Give us some adapters here. We don't need them. So we're just going to pinch, lift it up. Put the little tab in here into this loop. Hold it firm, don't pull on the rubber or the blade. Hold the whole thing together and just snap it in place. Just like that, you heard it click. Snap it down. Place it down gently. Next one.
Next one's the driver's side one.
Driver's side.
Do you want to step behind me and get it done?
Maybe a little bit easier.
So what's the benefits of using snow wipers compared to all season wipers or just leaving your summers on?
Summers don't have the same flexibility. If you notice this one here compared to this one here, this one is a lot more flexible. It's less likely to break and tear and damage the wiper and your window when you deal with the ice and the cold. It's going to be a little bit of a softer rubber. Mind you, mine are extremely soft because they're extremely worn out. So put that up. Pull that off. Normally I don't put everything here, but as you can tell, I definitely need to clear coat my car and do something with it.
Wow.
I think it's from parking over at the garage when they're doing the construction next door.
I think so too.
Definitely gonna have to figure out how to get that off. If anybody has any tips or tricks on how do you get unknown substances off paint, let me know.
Rubbing alcohol.
I'm sure there's a Chris Fix video somewhere on how to do that.
Rubbing alcohol.
Yeah. So one thing I do like that side better than this side because you actually have you're able to angle it a little bit better so you're pulling it towards you. Sometimes you just need that little bit of extra. And that's it.
Is it on securely?
Yeah, but there's no towel on this one.
I know, I was going to say. That's crazy. But it's on there securely?
It is. It's not going anywhere.
All right.
Put it down gently. Clean up my mess.
Yep. Yep. Another thing is your wipers, depending if the ratings are, there should not freeze to your window. What are these rated for, Jen?
Those ones, I don't know. -20.
Yep. Advanced winter dependability. I'm not going to read the other ones. I can read
Depending on
French.
where you go, you can find different ratings for wipers for winter. I know where I work right now, they have their own brand rated for winter. And they'll tell you which ones they recommend the most and the least. And reading the back.
Yeah. Apparently there's a special coating wiping edge on it.
Ooh. That's why we
Quick and easy installation.
That's why we splurged on Bosch. Thank you, Rock Auto. Made it affordable.
And here's the thing. If you want to wait at the last second, go to your local parts store and you'll probably spend more than if you go to Rock Auto.
Well, Well, these ones currently are in most stores where we are run about $26 a piece. Rock Auto, I think we've spent $4 a piece.
Yeah.
Never hurts to shop around, but always check your brands, check the reviews, check return policies.
Yeah. Do we got anything else to say about reason to be changing your wipers? It leaves streaks on your windows.
Like I said, if you want to see why these ones are being changed, head over to our Instagram. There will be a photo of as to why they are getting changed today.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Have a great time. Next time will be the rear wiper.
Bye.